What's up guys, welcome to my channel, and today we're going to be talking about options and how you can make consistent money every day trading options. Now options is a very complicated trading method, but what we're going to do is focus on the simpler version, buying calls and buying puts. When you're buying calls, you're betting that the stock price is going to go up within a specific time frame. That time frame could be a week, 2 weeks, or 3 weeks. Now when you're buying a put, you're betting the stock price will go down within a specific time frame. And remember, for the time frame, you're paying premium on it. So say the time frame is 1 week, you will have to pay premium every day, which is data that gets reduced. For the longer you hold, the more data you're paying. In order for you to be consistent, you have to start with a reasonable account size. Say you're new to this, I would recommend you start with $500 and consistently make $50 or $100 on that, which is possible. Some may say, what about the PDT rule? There's a way to avoid PDT by going to Thinkorswim and opening a cash account. Cash account basically lets you trade the amount of money you have, while margin account only gives you 3 trades per week, right? So cash account, say you have $500 and you make 5 trades, $50 each. That 5 trade for the day, which your money is gonna settle tomorrow. That only works with options. Now if you wish to trade regular stocks with a cash account, you would have to wait 3 business days for the money to settle and come back in your account. So that's one way to avoid PDT rule, which most people don't know about it, or they're not talking about it. Now when I was talking about account size, depending on your account size, you have to take the same amount of trades every day. $500 account size, you can minimize your loss and maximize your gain by taking specific trades in specific amount. So if with $500 account, you would take $50 trades with options. Now the $50, the most you could lose is $50, remember that. But the most you could gain is infinite, because sometimes option price go from 100% to 1,000, 2,000, 3,000%. So that all depends on the move. But when you do have a big winner, you just maximize your wins. And if you do lose, or you're going to lose the $50. But in order for you to make consistent profit, you would have to use the same amount every single time. And now some people do that for a week, and next week they take a position that's $200 and they lose all the $200, wiping out all the gain from last week when they was taking $50 trade. So that's the downfall of it. So you would have to keep it 50, 50, 50, 50, 50 until you grew your account. Now you could trade $100, $200, $300. Now with small account size, there's specific stocks you could find and choose to trade. So one example, AMD. Why is AMD a good stock to trade? Because there's a lot of volume on it. The spreads are very tight, and when the price fluctuates, the option doesn't change like $30, $40 in like few seconds. So the spread is very good, volume is good, and easy for you to get a fill on AMD. And this option price that of $50, $60 is very cheap compared to stock like Tesla, Apple, Facebook. They're very expensive. They're like $200, $300, $400, goes to $1,000, $2,000, and the spreads aren't that very nice depending on the day and the volume of the stock. So let's go to my screen. I'm going to show you how to find those stocks and to see where the most volume is, and what expiration is good to buy for a small account size, where data don't destroy you and delta is in your favor. Okay, now we're on our Thinkorswim account and we're looking at AMD right now. So on the trade side right here, we go to all products. It will show us all the information we need to trade the option on AMD, beginning with volume, open interest, bid, the ask, the strike price, and all of that. Now if you go a little down to right here on product depth, you could also see how much volume there is on total, the call side, and the total volume on the put side. And if you hover over these small dots, squares, whatever they are, you could see which strike and which date has the most value. Right now, 29 May, 55 call has the most value at 9,512. Now we're gonna look at the 55 right here, which is $1.29, $1.28 area, I guess, which is fine. Now, like we was talking earlier, a reasonable trade for us would be a 57 call for next week, which has 9,400 volume. And the price of the options is less than 50 cents, which is what we was looking for. When I usually trade this, I just send it to my active trader here. Oops, it's a little slow. Just send it to my active trader, and all the bid and ask pops up right here, which lets me see how many people are buying, how many people are selling, and the spread is very tight. So the buyers are willing to buy at $46 and the sellers are willing to sell at $48, and the middle is $47. So spreads are not that bad. If you was to get a call on AMD, this would be the best for a smaller account, and we could probably write it up to 56, 57. It's very simple to find these. If you want to change it, all you have to do is type it here and look at the next stock and look at options that are cheaper than 50 cents, like a Tilray 10.5 and 11 is pretty good. Yeah, so that's it for today. If you guys want to see more video on this, please leave a comment and let me know. And if you haven't already, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos in the future. Alright, take care.